Hi guys, I'm back this week with a quick and easy project that will transform your pantry. This is going to be such an easy, inexpensive project and super simple to put together. I'm going to cut all of my boards with a compound miter saw, but you can use a circular saw as well to cut with. And I'm going to put it together with a brad nailer and 1¼ inch brad nails. If you don't have a brad nailer, you can use a drill and self-tapping trim screws. That'll work as well. Since I'm nailing, I'm going to use plenty of glue. And you'll also need a tape measure, a speed square, safety glasses, hearing protection, and whatever you're going to finish with. All we're using on this project is 1x6 and 1x3. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and see if I can whip this out in the next few minutes. These are the ends of the vegetable bins, and I'm going to cut them at an angle. Don't let this intimidate you. It's actually really simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. And I mark all this in the plans. I just mark this distance, and I'm going to nip this corner off with my miter saw at a 30-degree angle. Then I just cut the top back off at a 30 as well. So it's a 30 and a 30. I'll make 2 of those. So I got my 2 ends done, and this is locally milled lumber, so there's a little bit of bark on it. I'll go ahead and sand that off later. So we're just going to attach the 2 sides with brad nails. I'm going to put 1¼ inch brad nails in my nailer. Now I'm going to add the 1x3 on the bottom. There's a lot of, all the weight's going to basically fall in this. So I'm going to glue all the way around it and do lots of nailing. And if you're worried about weight, you could definitely throw some screws in the back, and that will help. And then I'm going to nail the heck out of the back here. So this is the bottom of it, and this board's going to go here like this. I'm going to glue it, so we're not done yet, but you can see I left a little bit of an air gap there underneath it, so there will be some ventilation on the bottom. Put some glue on it and get it nailed. right. project really done? Project really is done. Okay, I feel like there should be more. Okay, that was way too easy. So yeah, and you can hang it right through the back into studs in the wall. So I really love it, and I'm gonna build some more. Okay, so I just built a second one, and I just modified it by making it about 1 inch deeper so it can hold potatoes and have a little bit more room, and then this one will hold the onions. So there was no other change to it. I used the same exact boards, I just made the sides 1 inch longer. If you really want to make this food grade and you're worried about any possible finish contamination with your food, use a butcher block finish or something similar on the project, and that will make it food safe. For my purpose, I'm going to go ahead and sand them and paint them and get them installed. Okay. Shelves are hung, I'm going to fill them up. I'm just going to line it with paper towels just to keep the mess minimal. So my bins are all done and they are perfect. I can't believe that I didn't do this project sooner. Look at how easy these are to reach, how easy it will be to clean stuff. You'll never have to deal with like a big bin with rotting produce in the bottom of it and all that fun stuff. I'm thinking about fruit flies right now. But this is just perfect, and what I love about this whole setup that we have is when you walk by the pantry and you see this wall of organization, it just looks so neat and tidy, despite the rest of my pantry being a complete disaster. I'll get to cleaning it, I promise, but that will have to wait for another week. So we really appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to put the plans for these guys up on the website. The link will be in the description below. Click on over, download it, build it, install these, and share, because I want to see where you install yours and how they turn out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, this week. We'll see you next Monday. Alright. Now, if I could just build a project that would make me dinner, that would work. So I kept the produce down low so that the baby can help herself.
And then you can give it to you.
Want me to peel it for you? Let's go peel it. Thank you. This could be a big mess. Let's go eat it. Come on.
You can eat apple.
It's starting to look like a supermarket in here, isn't it?
I'm gonna get one.
One bite and done. This might have been a really bad idea. Got her. There's going to be one bite out of every apple. I think I'm going to have to put the potatoes on that shelf.